Ateneo de Bolilan Colleges, a Ginoong Kabataan Awardee of Bulacan, and a respected leader in various educational organizations. Academically accomplished, he holds both a Doctor of Philosophy and a Juris Doctor degree. Beyond his achievement, he is a devoted husband and a loving father, embodying leadership grounded in service and values. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Frederick Emerson A. Castro. Let us give him a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Joy, for that very generous introduction. Pinipigay ko na nga si Kuya Jude, Dr. Brother Jude. Hello! Hi! Okay, first, my apologies for coming here late. Nag-yes ako sa setup. Sa pupulsihal, yun ang tinatawag kong mga prinsipe. Meron akong vice mayor, babae, yun ang tinatawag kong reyna. At meron akong mayor, yun ang tinatawag kong hari. Kaya meron akong 10 amo. Kaya kahit na may balak akong minsan, ay nababago. So, bigla silang nag-schedule ng committee hearings today. And mind you, how many committee hearings I have this morning? I have 14 committee hearings. Instantaneously, if you imagine that. So, even until lunchtime, talagang pinakiusapan ko lang na mga supplemental budget. May mga SK ba dito? Okay, ang speaker natin. Supplemental budget at saka mga annual budgets. So talagang they try to scrutinize that and God's blessing natapos naman hanggang past 12. Pero minomonitor ko kayo kanina hanggang sa bago yung dumating. Lord, lagi na lang pag-iitin na ako nun lagi na lang na ikaw ang nagbibigay. Di ba pwedeng, anong bulang po ba po pwedeng ako naman po yung magbigay? So, by inspiration to our common brother who already passed away unexpectedly, but before he leave us, I invited him to come over here, pero hindi ganito yung itsura nito. Ang itsura nito, yung pasture natin ganun. Pumunta rito, appreciate our common brother, my best friend, si Karen JC. Ex-seminaryo din yun, coming from US, telling me na nung nakita ko, sabi niya, boy, bakit ko di paggawa ganito? Ang tawag sa akin sa seminaryo ay yun. Kasi may kanya-kanya kaming name call. Parang meron kayo kanya-kanyang bansa. Alam kung paano kayo umpisahan. Kagaya na sinabi sa inyo, sabi, ang tatay ko ay pastor lang hindi, ang nanay ko ay teacher. No? At kaya mahal sa akin ang Baliwag University, dahil ang Baliwag University, di ko alam kung meron pa rin hanggang ngayon, yung kada anihan ng bayan ng program. Kaya ako sa Baliwag University nag-high school. Kasi yung aming baryo, ay pag sumakay ka, doon ka nabababa agad sa BU, na dati ay BC. No? Doon. Ngayon nga, may reunion kami sa April. May first year high school ba rito? Wala. Wala, yan. Puro college pala. Doon ako kasi student council ng high school, pasok. Dahil dito sa kaharap nyo. Dahil dito sa kaharap nyo, masyado akong lumalim noon. At kaya ating magre-reunion kami. Tuwing magre-reunion kami ngayon, unang-una kong ginagawa ay humingi ng tawad sa kanila sapagkat nagkamali ako. Na sila ay sobrang naniwala sa akin. Na pati yung mga college ay naniwala sa amin. Yun. Yung iba may NKAI, pamilyar kayo sa NKAI. So nagre-review kami, NCE pa tawag doon, nagre-review kami sa labas. Yung mga teacher na nagpuprotesta, sinamahan namin, kaya nasama rin kami sa labas. And lo and behold, ilang classmate ko na honorable mentions, cum laude, baksak sa NKAI. Imagine that. Baksak sa NCE.
at Bethesda House of Prayer, Grace and Healing, Oral na Batos, Rafael Bulacan. Organized by the Center for Student Life and Engagement and University Student Council of Puerto Rico. Its kindness and hospitality greatly contributed to the success of this event. Given this 20th day of February 2026, signed by the project head, Mr. John Louis S. Julian, and co-chairman, Ms. Julia Facilities, and of course, the director of Center for Student Life and Engagement of Manila University, Mr. Antonio Veronica. Let's give them a round of applause.
Number one,
Team leader. So, pili muna kayo ng team leader ninyo. So, ang game flow po natin. Ang hina eh. Okay na po. Okay naman. The two teams will line up against each other. Once the host says 1, 2, 3, go, the game will begin. So, hintayin nyo lang go ha. Players must carry the cups from the chair to the table using the rubber band with rope in it. So, ibig sabihin, bawal niyo hawakan yung ating cup using your hands. Just use the rubber band. Players must stack the cups from 3 pieces to the base, and then 2, and then 1. So, 3, 2, 1. So, paano pag bumagsak po yung pangalawa? Ulit po yung lahat, except yung base. Yung base po yung iwan. Okay? After stacking all the cups, they must shout their team name to be declared the winner. O, di ba? Pinaganapan niyo yung sarili niyo. The first team to stack the cups. O, sige, magde-demo muna tayo. The first team to stack the cups wins. Players must observe proper ethical behavior throughout the game. So, winning condition lang po natin kung sino yung mauna, siya po yung declare the winner. Pero guys, since this is a 3 games po tayo, pointing system po yung gagawin natin para malaman natin kung sino yung overall winner. Okay, clear? Clear po, babayin na po instruction. Okay, nandyan po ngayon si Choi and then si Ma'am Julia para i-demo po ang ating game. Patungan mo ko, baby!